So in this video we are attempting to try replicate the Nando's famous chicken. I love the chicken legs, so I'm doing the same. They do, steam it, combi steam it, like combi oven, rational, or any oven they use. So here I use water, veg stock or chicken stock you can use. I use some chili flakes. You can use pepper as well. The chicken is with the skin, so it's cold like this, and here the skin is kept. So the best result, you can cure in salt, dry it with salt and wash it after half an hour, and then you get a best crispy skin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to poach it first. I prefer to cook in the water, so the moisture will be there rather. So let's poach it. Poaching is what you cook in the water on a simmering temperature. Simmering in the sense it's hot, but the water is not bubbling, just a movement of water. Ideally it should be around 98 degrees centigrade. So let it cook like this. We will cook it for 15 minutes, then drain it off, let it cool down, then we do a marinade before we grill it. So after 15 minutes, now what I'm going to do, I just cut 2 spring onions. You can use more. This will be left here, and now I'm just going to switch it off. Let it cool down in the water, because what happens with the chicken, once you cook it, when it's really hot, all the juice from the chicken goes to the water, and when you cool it down in the same water, the water will get back into the chicken, give it more juicy. So doing that process, cooling in the same water, make it more juicy and very flavorful. So leave it there. So in the restaurants, if you want to keep the chicken like this, keep it bit of liquid in your container, so that will be moist, it will not be dry. So for the marinade, I use some chili flakes, around 1/4 teaspoon, enough for 3 legs. Adding olive oil, you can use normal oil if you want. Then for nice blackened color, I'm using some soy sauce. So now mix and keep it. So once the chicken is ready, we can just marinate the same thing, and I can add some lemon juice as well here. So now we can marinate the chicken and the spring onions. Now we will grill it. So now the pan needs to be really hot, so I put it like at least 3 minutes before. Now chicken on the skin side, like that, and then the spring onions. So now just turn the spring onions. So it's nice color. Yeah, very nice. So leave it for 30 seconds and remove the spring onions. For the garnish, we will use chicken. Let it be there. Now let's turn the chicken. Nice grilled color, and just grilled on the side. The skin is crispy. So now before removing it, I'm just going to spread the Nandos Peri Peri sauce. This is what they do even in their restaurant. They don't marinate with the sauce, they just grill it first and then apply on the top, so the flavor will be still there. Okay, now we can remove it and ready to plate. So now to plate, place the chicken. Okay, then place the spring onions, place some sauce on the side like this. Yeah, that's good enough. Now enjoy your Nandos style peri peri chicken. Okay, it will be very juicy, nicely grilled, amazing flavors.